can move your plants around to catch the best sunlight. This flexibility ensures that your plants get the optimal amount of light throughout the day. If the weather changes, you can bring your plants indoors. This is particularly useful during extreme weather conditions, protecting your plants from frost or heavy rain. Another benefit is the ability to control the soil and watering more precisely. You can tailor the soil mix to the specific needs of each plant and ensure they get the right amount of water. Let's unlock the secrets to a thriving container garden. With the right techniques and a bit of care, you can create a beautiful and productive garden in any space. Choosing the right plants is crucial for container gardening. Some plants do better in containers than others. Herbs like basil, parsley, and mint are great choices. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce also do well in containers. For those who love flowers, marigolds, petunias, and geraniums are excellent choices. Succulents are another great option. It is important to consider your climate when choosing plants. Remember, the key to successful container gardening is to choose the right plants for your conditions. The type of container you choose for your plants can make a big difference in your gardening success.